message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. All broadcasting stations and cable channels will be suspended until further notice to transmit this message. This is a national alert. NASA as well as multiple space agencies have detected an extraterrestrial signal originating from a distant star system. While the nature and intent of this signal are still being studied, we urge the public to remain calm and cooperative. Additional information and guidance will be provided as the situation develops. Please refrain from engaging in speculation or spreading unverified information. Thank you for your cooperation.